start till 7, so I'm probably gonna hang out in the car. This is just getting you ready for San Francisco.
Let's see.
We don't have to go to like Disneyland where I had to get up at 4. Really, I could wait a minute.
I don't know who's crazier, Brittany for running or me for enabling her.
Did you think you're crazy? You're crazy. For the love of God, let us start the race.
We've had 2 weeks of hard rain. It hasn't stopped.
Yesterday was perfectly wonderful.
Welcome to Seattle. It's raining really hard, and not just California hard. My boss from Texas said this is like Texas rain. Whoa, man. Look at this. That is some crazy water levels. Some Californian filming the rain. Nerds.